What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. So today I'm going to show you how I'm making commissions with high ticket affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you some of the high ticket products that I promote as an affiliate marketer. So let me show you quickly some of my results. This is my affiliate dashboard, as you can see in the screen, and this is for this high ticket product, Freedom Accelerator, but also I promote another high ticket program, which is Legendary Marketer, and I'm going to show you the strategy that I'm using to make commissions online with this business model. For example, this company pays 40% commission, and if I scroll down, these are my affiliate links. And as you may know, that if someone buys from our affiliate links, we can get a commission. Now, let me show you the high ticket products that I promote. The first one is Legendary Marketer. This is the 15-day challenge. So basically, I have only the 15-day challenge. I don't have the high ticket product of Legendary Marketer, but yes, I do have the high ticket product for this, for this training. For example, we usually promote a high ticket product through a challenge. So in this case, I'm promoting the 15-day challenge, and if someone buys the high ticket product, I can make that commission. For example, this is the 72-hour challenge. So this is the low ticket product, and if someone wants to scale their affiliate business to the next level, they can have access to Freedom Accelerator, which is the high ticket product. Basically, this Freedom Accelerator has all the information on how to start an affiliate business from complete scratch utilizing software. So the name of the software is Funnel Freedom. Now I'm going to show you some of the things that I have learned from these trainings. For example, from Legendary Marketer. So this is a product that was created from Dave Sharps. So this is Dave Sharps. For example, on day number 1, people will learn the number 1 secret to building a high ticket, high profit in business online. So one of the cool things about this training is that Dave Sharps explains the skills that we need to develop in order to make money with high ticket affiliate marketing. For example, it's important to have good copywriting skills, it's important to create content, it's important to have good sales skills, and all that stuff is going to help you it's going to help us to make commissions online. And we can learn all that stuff through the 15-day challenge. Now, talking about Freedom Accelerator, this is a more in-depth training. So people who wants to test the waters, they can take the 72-hour challenge, which has three lessons. Day number 1, the Freedom to Roadmap, in which Jonathan Montoya explains what is affiliate marketing and some success stories from his students. Day number 2 is how to create this automated sales system. And basically, I have this system that is working for me 24/7, and basically that is how I'm making commissions. I build that system, and then I just record content and send customers. I drive customers to my system, and some people are buying the products from my affiliate links. So that is day number 2, how to build this system. And day number 3 is so these are the traffic methods to drive customers to our automated sales system. Jonathan Montoya explains 3 traffic strategies for beginners. And then if people want to take the Freedom Accelerator, which is the high ticket product, the price is $1,997. So people will learn all this stuff. For example, building the automated sales system with Funnel Freedom, which is Jonathan Montoya's software. And then we have all the information on how we can drive traffic to that system. For example, how to create videos between 5 and 15 second short videos, how to create faceless artificial intelligence videos, how to use Instagram, Facebook Reels, DM closing, And basically for me, one of the best lessons are inside of phase number 2, how we can use YouTube and utilize YouTube to drive customers to our affiliate entire ecosystem of products. And that is basically how I'm making these commissions. I went through all the lessons and basically I put into work, guys, like doing the keyword research, optimizing my YouTube videos, and more importantly, creating content every single day. So, and basically that is how I'm making these commissions. For example, if you want to learn how to learn the skills with high ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the links in the description, because I have a free training that you can take it out basically for free. Now, let me show you quickly the system that I have, which is basically a sales funnel. So this is a sales funnel. The name of this funnel, first of all, this is the software Funnel Freedom. I'm on the sites tab here, and these are the funnel steps. So the first step of this funnel is the free course opt-in page. And I'm using this page to collect emails. So basically I'm driving traffic to this page, and when people see this page, they will read the information, the title. They will read, for example, let me show you. They will read this title. So, and this is one of the most important things of this capture page, the title. It really needs to be a good title. Then people will read this information. They will say, hey, here it says a free course. I have put my own picture because I'm building my own personal brand. And when people click this button, I can collect the name, the email, and the phone number. So once people opting in their information, they will get access to the bridge page. So basically the bridge page, let me show you here, we have a video. So in this case, I'm using Jonathan Montoya's videos. And here it says that your free course will arrive in your inbox shortly. Important, please watch. Then so people can watch this, like this video of Jonathan Montoya, and if they want to get started today, and if people click this button, people will be clicking my affiliate link. And then I have put as well my own picture, because I want people to know that I'm the affiliate marketer that I'm promoting this training. So that being said, people will receive an email, and basically when they receive the email, they will receive, so it's going to be a welcome message, and it will be a link inside of that email, which is going to redirect all the people who opting in their information to this free course. And this free course has 7 lessons. And one of the cool things about this free course is that we are promoting, so I'm promoting my affiliate links inside of the course, because when people watch the lesson, they will scroll down, and if they click the buttons below the videos, for example, this is a button for my affiliate link for the 72-hour freedom challenge, which is my main core offer. And below the lessons, people are going to find buttons. For example, here they can join the Facebook group, Jonathan Montoya's Facebook group. If they want to join the 72-hour challenge, they can click here. And as you can see, below all the videos, for example, part number 4, how to use AI. Here we have more buttons. And that is how basically I'm promoting multiple affiliate products and offers by giving people valuable information. Now, it's important to know that people don't buy at the first interaction. That is why we need to build an email sequence. And basically, I'm utilizing the email sequence inside of Funnel Freedom, because I bought this software because it has a 7-figure done-for-you system, which I'm basically utilizing as an affiliate marketer. So instead of like creating my own lead magnet, creating for example, my own funnel, and creating and writing all the email sequence to promote my main core offer and supporting offers, I'm utilizing this is done for your system. So I'm going to click here on automation and then on white label course. So you can see that these are my, well, this is the Northern sequence inside of Funnel Freedom. So anyone who wants to access, who access funnelfreedom.io, so they will have this information inside of their accounts. For example, here we have the first welcome sequence, and then we have 6 days of 60 days Northern sequence. And so these are all emails, and basically all my email list is going to start receiving all these emails, and inside of the emails people are going to find my affiliate links for multiple products, for the high ticket products that I just showed it to you, like Legendary Marketer, Freedom Accelerator. But more importantly, I'm promoting as well supporting offers. I'm promoting Get Response, I'm promoting Funnel Freedom, I'm promoting TubeBuddy, I'm promoting multiple softwares. Basically, I'm promoting 14 different products with this system, and I'm doing that by utilizing Funnel Freedom because this software is sending all these emails. So check this out. In the first welcome sequence, I have 61 people in a row. 11 active people in the first day. In the first notary sequence of 60 days, I have 50 people in a row, 40 active people, and as you can see, we have here all these email sequence, which I'm utilizing to promote multiple products. And basically that is how I'm making commissions, guys. I'm promoting high quality products, which are the products that I just showed it to you, Legendary Marketer and Freedom Accelerator, and I'm promoting as well supporting offers, and I'm doing that by utilizing this entire ecosystem of products. Now, you can do this by yourself if you want. For example, you can use this software ClickFunnels, and you can just as well Get Response to build this entire ecosystem by yourself, or you can utilize funnelfreedom.io and use the 7 figures done for your system. But to start making commissions, guys, it takes time, so that is important. So this is not like you sign up for Funnel Freedom and you're going to start collecting emails. So this is like the tech part. Once you have built in the system, which is the tech part, you need to work on the traffic part of affiliate marketing, and that is creating content every single day, or like mastering a skill, like for example paying ads, paying Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads. So that are the two ways that we can utilize to drive customers to our own sales system. Now, for example, I'm creating content on my YouTube channel. I'm doing my keyword research. YouTube is sharing my videos with more people, and basically that is how I'm collecting emails. And here I have all my contacts, all my leads in this tab, in the contacts tab. And I'm utilizing this system to collect emails, and as well I have another funnels inside of ClickFunnels. Here, if I click on funnels, you're going to see that I have here many funnels because I have been in this affiliate marketing thing for a while, so I have been testing like a lot of funnels through like my entire time with like trying to make commissions with affiliate marketing. And as well, I'm using Get Response. For example, this is how I started with affiliate marketing, by using ClickFunnels and Get Response. And here I have all my emails. So these are all my email lists. For example, today I have one new content added to my email list, and I have specifically 1,450 emails. So one important thing that you need to know if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing or high ticket affiliate marketing is that it's important to collect emails, collect leads, because that is going to help you build an affiliate business for the long term. So I have seen that the more emails I collect, some of those people click my affiliate links. For example, for this company, I have sent 615 clicks. Some of those people become referrals, some customers, and then that is how I started to make commissions with affiliate marketing. So you can see, guys, it takes time and effort because you need to have this entire ecosystem of products. You need to promote high quality products that are going to help people. And then once you have built that system, you need to create content on your social media to drive customers to your own system. So basically, those are the steps, guys. And this is my YouTube channel, which I'm utilizing to reach more people, like, because I'm documenting my own journey and I'm talking about the things that I struggled with affiliate marketing and when I made commissions. For example, when I made $2, $5, $10, $20 with affiliate marketing. So I'm talking all that stuff. I have a section inside of my YouTube channel, which the name is documenting my own journey. And here, for example, I'm documenting my journey day 143. I'm doing affiliate marketing, or I'm doing freelance digital marketing. These are the things that I'm learning. Day 144, I'm doing this stuff. Day 142, day 141, and I'm creating all these videos, all these YouTube shorts, and these videos are helping me to reach more people, and because I'm like talking super straightforward. So this is not easy, guys. This is not easy because you need to put in the work. So basically, that is how I'm making commissions. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel.